is up, F It Outdoors. So it's that time. Mystery Tackle Box, month of July. Real quick before we get into that, go check these guys out, Pond Slayers Plastics.com. They got some good frogs, they got some good hooks, they got some cool merch. Go check it out, Pond Slayers Plastics.com. I'll leave a link in the description box below. Tell them I sent you. So, Mystery Tackle Box, month of July. This is the Pro Box, Pro Bass Box. Just like all the other, even though they changed the name to Carl's Baits, this is it's still the MTB box. They still got the Catch a Win program. You know, catch fish, put it on there, take a picture, put it on Instagram. There's the hashtag, blah 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 blah. So nothing's really changed except for the name. Got the Double Digest. Got the What's in Your Box. So let's go ahead and dive into it. Very first thing, Booyah Prank. Booyah Prank. Looks like a little top water popper with a bill. That's a pretty cool little paint scheme. Get you a good look at that right there. So that's a top water popper. It's about 2 inches long. Got some rattles in it. Got some pretty good hooks on it. Pretty strong hooks for being as small as they are. That goes for $9.99. First bait up, $9.99. Next up, we've got the Fanatic Larva. Fanatic Larva. Oh, these things are a little wild here. It's like a big old purple bug. Let's get one of them out and check it out. I don't know anything about this company or this bait. I'm going to assume that you would fish that on some sort of shaky head or Texas rig or a flipping hook. It's like a big old larva bug. Big old larva bug. Let's see if I can get a good shot of that. It's kind of weird looking, but we'll try it. There's no information on the pack other than it's a 4.5 inch and it's a 5-pack. The color is 008 by fanaticbaits.com, and that's all it says. So there's that, the larva. That goes for $5.99. So we're at 16 bucks already. Next up, we got the Big O's Game Changer Lures Eliminator. Big O's Game Changer Lures. Whew, them things are funky. That's basically like a big old slimy eel or a tadpole looking deal. Man, them things stink. So those go for $3.66 a bag, and that is a 4-pack. That is a 4-pack. So there's that. Next up, we've got Lucky John's Wacky Hammer Stick. Wacky Hammer Stick. Alright, looks like a little fluke. Color's called Wasagi. Basically looks like a dream shot or a little fluke type deal. Black on top, green on bottom. Nico rig. That'd be a good Nico rig bait right there. Have to try those out the creek. Those go for $2.99 a pack. Next up, we've got the Lunker Hut Prop Frog. I've actually already have one of these, but Lunker Hut makes good stuff. The one thing that I don't like about this particular lure right here is it does not like moss. So this is a very good frog for like running the edge of the moss, and it's got that extra trailer hook. It's got that extra trailer hook on it, so you can eliminate them short strikes at the feet, and then the feet they actually spin and create turbulence. So that's a hollow body frog from Lunker Hut with a trailer hook with spinning legs, prop legs. So that bad boy goes for $9.99. The $10 frog right there. Alright, up next we've got the Reaction Strike Ranger. Little tiny square bill. Great color. Nice rattles. Hooks are okay. There's that bad boy right there. I don't know if you can see the sun glaring through it, but it's very translucent in color. And that bad boy goes for $5.99. The last on the box, we got a Mustad bucktail grub, bucktail jig, not grub, with the Ultra Point, the Big Eye bucktail jig by Mustad. This is just your typical hair jig. Got a black stripe on top, white feathers on the bottom. Looks like it's hand tied. It's made with some love. Paint's already chipping off of it. I don't know where I would throw that or why I would throw it, but I'm gonna give it a shot just because I got it for free. So that's the Mustad bucktail jig. That goes for almost $4, $3.50. So that pretty much is the box. I guess the new thing they're doing with they got the Karl's catalog now that's going to be in the box, and you know, they've changed it from Karl's Bait and Tackle by Catchco from the Mystery Tackle box, but it's basically just a catalog. Basically just a catalog with some lures and stuff that are MTB exclusives or made by Catchco. Talks about some different things, merch, MTB merch, reels and selecting rods and stuff like that, gifts and ideas, top 10 fishing gift idea from Karl. You got your beginner series, learn how to fish, whatever, what to learn. So that's a cool new little additive that they've got in there from the Mystery Tackle box. Then my sticker for this month, Catchco sticker. Alright, so Mystery Tackle box is a monthly subscription tackle thing. That Pro box goes for $24.99. I'll do the math on what this box totaled in retail, and I'll put it right here. That's what the overall value of the box was. They have several different boxes. You can go walleye, panfish, catfish, whatever. And they have the Elite box now too, which is a little bit more. And the cool thing about Mystery Tackle box is if you feel like you're getting stuff that you don't want, or you feel like you're wasting your money, you can cancel it any time, or you can switch to a different species at any time. Plus, if you find some baits in here that you really do like, you can reorder those baits and have them send them in your next month's box. So I think that's a really cool thing. So make sure you go check out mysterytacklebox.com. There's a crap ton of discount codes out there for your very first one, where you can get it for like almost $5. Follow the Googans, Scott Martin, any of them guys, they all got discount codes. But yeah, check out PondSlayersPlastic.com. Go check them out on Instagram. Give them a follow. Go order some of their stuff. You won't be disappointed. And like always, say F it and get outdoors. Guaranteed to be a lot better than sitting inside doing nothing. See ya.